This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm looking at the entry of Unit 1204, where there's a coat closet that would be off to the left as you enter. And further on, off to the left, is a generously sized bath. There's a bank of drawers and a wide vanity, designer light frame mirror. There's a closet in the bath for additional storage. And there's a soaking tub with white tile, rain shower head. And you're looking at the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. There are high ceilings. Kitchen has a 4-burner gas range, an under cabinet microwave, range hood, stainless steel appliance package that includes, of course, a dishwasher, quartz counters, a wide lip on the breakfast bar peninsula, and there's a full-size stacked front-loading washer-dryer with additional space for storage in the laundry area. Windows in the living dining area face east, looking out over as great a selection of playing fields and parkland as you're going to find anywhere. Montrose Harbor is straight ahead. This is a nice-sized living dining area. High ceilings make the space feel even greater. Heading toward the bedroom. Again, it's a spacious room. You can accommodate virtually any size bed in here. And there are roller blinds on all of the windows. 811 Uptown is a fabulous suite of amenities, a terrific location, Jewel-Osco nearby, Target, CTA, shops, bars, restaurants, walking distance to Wrigley Field. You really want to have 811 on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment on the north side of Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.